Climate change and its impact on Pakistan and on its housing. Climate change is one of the biggest problems facing the world today. It means the Earth's climate is changing in harmful ways because of pollution, especially from burning coal, oil, and gas. These activities release gases like carbon dioxide into the air, which trap heat and make the planet warmer. This is called global warming. As a result, we see more extreme weather, such as stronger storms, longer droughts, and heavier rains. These changes affect every country, including Pakistan. Pakistan is one of the countries most affected by climate change, even though it does not produce much pollution compared to richer nations. Every year, Pakistan faces more heat waves, floods, and water shortages. In 2022, for example, Pakistan suffered terrible floods. Heavy rains and melting glaciers caused rivers to overflow. Over 1,700 people died, and millions lost their homes. Crops were destroyed, and roads and bridges were washed away. This disaster showed how vulnerable Pakistan is to climate change. One major effect of climate change in Pakistan is extreme heat. In recent years, cities like Jacobabad and Sibi have recorded temperatures over 50 degrees Celsius (122 degrees Fahrenheit). Such heat is dangerous, especially for the poor, elderly, and children. It can cause heat stroke and even death. Many people do not have access to electricity or fans to cool down, making life very difficult during summer. Another big problem is water scarcity. Glaciers in the northern mountains are melting fast due to rising temperatures. While this causes floods in the short term, in the long run, it means less water for rivers like the Indus. The Indus River is very important for farming, drinking water, and electricity. If it dries up, millions of people will suffer. Climate change also affects agriculture. Farmers depend on regular seasons and rainfall, but now the weather is unpredictable. Some years are too dry, and others too wet. This makes it hard to grow crops like wheat, rice, and cotton. When crops fail, food prices go up, and hunger increases. Now, let's talk about how climate change affects housing in Pakistan. Most houses in Pakistan, especially in rural areas, are made of mud, brick, or weak materials. These houses cannot survive strong rains, floods, or storms. When floods come, homes are easily destroyed. After the 2022 floods, about 2 million homes were damaged or lost. Families were forced to live in tents or open spaces with no privacy, clean water, or toilets. In cities, poor people often live in informal settlements, also called slums. These areas are usually built on low ground, near rivers or drains, which are dangerous during heavy rains. When it rains, these homes get flooded, and diseases like cholera spread quickly. Even strong houses face problems. Rising temperatures mean homes get very hot inside. Without proper ventilation or insulation, people suffer from heat. Air conditioners help, but they are expensive to buy and run. Most families cannot afford them, and electricity supply is often weak. Another issue is that climate change forces people to move. When villages are destroyed by floods or droughts, families move to cities to find safety and work. This puts pressure on cities, where there are not enough houses, schools, or hospitals. New homes are built quickly, often without planning, which makes the problem worse. So, what can be done? First, Pakistan needs stronger buildings. Houses should be built with better materials and in safer places, away from flood zones. The government should help poor families rebuild stronger homes after disasters. Second, new houses should be designed to stay cool. Using thick walls, shaded windows, and green roofs can reduce heat inside. Solar panels can provide clean electricity for fans or lights. Third, city planning must improve. Governments should stop people from building homes in dangerous areas. They should also invest in clean water, drainage, and waste systems to protect health. Finally, the world must work together to reduce climate change. Rich countries should help poorer ones like Pakistan by giving money and technology to fight climate effects. In conclusion, climate change is hurting Pakistan badly. It brings deadly heat, floods, and droughts that destroy lives and homes. Poor housing makes the situation worse. But with better planning, stronger buildings, and global support, Pakistan can become more resilient. Everyone, government, communities, and international partners, must act now to protect people and homes from the growing threat of climate change. For more, please visit acash.org.pk.